In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a category in Wave Accounting. Managing your accounting can sometimes feel overwhelming, but Wave Accounting simplifies many of these tasks with user-friendly features. One such feature is the ability to archive categories in your chart of accounts. By following a simple process, you can efficiently manage your account categories to keep your records neat and organized. First, let's navigate to the right place to begin this task. Start by logging into your Wave Accounting account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the side menu on your screen. You're going to look for the section labeled Accounting. Clicking on Accounting will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the blueprint of your financial data. It organizes all the different categories of transactions you use regularly, such as income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Now that you're in the chart of accounts, it's time to locate the category that you wish to remove. This section lists all your current categories. Carefully scroll through the list and find the specific category you're looking to delete. It's important to double-check that you're selecting the correct one. Ensuring you have the right category will prevent accidentally archiving something you didn't intend to. Once you've identified the category, you will notice a pencil icon located next to the category name. This icon serves as the key to editing the category. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. Doing so will open up the category details, providing you with a few options to configure how you handle that specific category. Within these details, focus on finding a checkbox labeled Archive. By selecting this checkbox, you're essentially marking the category for removal from your active accounts. Wave Accounting uses the term archive because it removes the category from the primary view but retains its data for historical record keeping. Remember, the archiving feature is especially helpful in preserving the integrity of past financial data, ensuring nothing is lost or disruptive in financial reports. The final step is to click the Save button to confirm your decision. This step finalizes the archiving process, making sure that your category has been removed from the current listings. Once saved, the category will no longer appear in your active chart of accounts, streamlining your list and making it easier to manage the categories relevant to your business operations. By understanding how to archive categories, you are taking control of your accounting data and ensuring it's aligned with your current financial needs. Archiving helps maintain an organized chart of accounts, reflecting the true state of your business while preserving past records for reference. Congratulations, you've just learned how to delete a category in Wave Accounting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other tips and tricks to make the most of your Wave Accounting experience.